All right, welcome back, welcome back. It is the DMV with Doctor, located in Bowie, Maryland. And today we have a different unit on today. This is actually a full lace unit. That is this is the most fun part of running a full lace unit. You're able to part it however you want. Okay, so since we did our wig feature for today, you know how Wendy Williams does it. How you doing? So, anyways, today we're going to be talking about how stress affects your hair loss and also your weight. And so we're going to be talking about stress today. And stress is a very serious thing. A lot of people don't realize how stress can impact them. And the funny thing about it, a lot of people don't even think that that they are stressed. In fact, anytime that you ask most people if they're stressed, they just shrug it off and be like, "Girl, stressed too," and knowing that they're about to get kicked out on Monday. Okay. So, anyways, and I'm going to be looking down at some of my notes in case you see me looking down. So, anyways, these are some of the problems with stress. Stress can unbalance your hormones. They can cause you to be more irritable. Also, they can inhibit your body to heal, and it takes up a lot of natural energy that your body needs to, heal properly from different diseases. Even if you get injuries, any type of traumatic thing or experience that your body goes through, you need to heal properly and be under, if you have a big traumatic experience or just illness or anything like that, just got out of surgery, just had a baby, then your body needs to be resting. So that's what we're going to be talking about now. Okay, and here are some tips. And again, like we said, a lot of people don't realize that they actually, that this is one of the main causes of hair loss and weight gain. In fact, for hair loss, they have, I believe it's telogen effluvium and also the alopecia areata. A lot of these different forms of alopecia are, dealing with stress, with the autoimmune. So all of these things can be triggered by stress. Okay, so these are some things. We always like to do a lot of different research just to keep evolving. So these are some things that can help eliminate stress. And a lot of people, when they hear people talk about things like this, they think that it sounds foolish. Like it sounds very elementary. That's what they tell you in elementary school.